Thank you so much. Entry number 4.
Grabe naman talaga. Teachers are really talented.
No joy ang slogan partner na basta talented.
Kaya tayo PBB partner. Ito, ito yung ginagawa ang kasaliyang talento sa mga future educators from Pilipinas.
So solo ka lang mga partner, so later on, we will be having our vocal duet competition. But at this juncture, let's move on to the next segment of our competition.